In the past 60 days, we spent over 2.5 million naira for one of my clients running ads and generating sales for his business. But as a small business owner, you don't have to wait until you have millions and millions to invest in adverts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to spend little in your advert while still getting results. Let's get into the video. So what's a small budget? Between 2019 and 2021, when Buhari was still the president of this country, you could easily run ads with at least 500 naira per day and still get results. Back in those days, you could use a daily budget of 1,000 naira per day and still get a lot of results. But today, that is not the reality. We are in the Tinubu era. This is 2024 and he has been the president for the past 1 year plus. To get better results with your ads, you need to spend more money. And the minimum daily budget you can spend in this Tinubu era is 5,000 naira per day. It's no more 2,000, it's no more 3,000, it's 5,000 naira per day. Here's the thing. For any money you spend on your advertising, you are paying tax. Yes, you are paying tax. Assuming you are paying a VAT, which is value added tax, of 7.5%. That means for every 5,000 naira you spend, you are giving the government 375 naira. So if you are spending a daily budget of 5,000 naira, just have it in mind that you are spending a total of 4,625 naira per day to run your advert. So have it in mind that the minimum daily budget you are supposed to spend is 5,000 naira per day. That is the minimum. If you go below this, you are going to be struggling to see results. You cannot get the kind of results you are looking for. So the minimum daily budget is 5,000 naira per day. Don't go below this. To get the best results from your advert, make sure you have a budget that can run for at least 30 days. Take for instance, if you are spending 5,000 naira per day, make sure you have a budget. Set aside a budget of 150,000 naira for 30 days. If you are spending 10,000 naira per day, set aside a budget of 300,000 naira for 30 days. Make sure you have a budget that can take you for at least 30 days. The longer you can run your advert, the better results you can get. So how do you run a successful advert with a small budget? The first thing you need to do is to copy what works by stealing the best performing campaigns from your competitors. I know you're asking, how do I do that? And there are two ways you can do that. The first is going to the Facebook ads library, and the second one is observing the adverts you see on your Facebook and Instagram timeline. The Facebook ads library is a collection of ads from different advertisers like you who are selling their products and services either on Facebook or on Instagram. This is where you are going to go to get a lot of inspirations for your kind of business. For you to visit your Facebook ads library, just go to Google, open a new tab, type in Facebook ads library. You're going to click on the first link. And this is the Facebook ads library. The first thing you want to do is to come here. Make sure your country, Nigeria, is selected. Come here, click on add category, click on all ads. Now, you want to come here and search for a keyword or an advertiser. Assuming I'm selling kitchen utensils and I'm selling maybe a juicer. So I'm going to come here and type juicer. As you can see, these are all the adverts. All the adverts. See? So many adverts on juicer. Now I want you to come to the top right hand corner here. Click on filters. Select languages. Platforms. You can come here. Select either Facebook or Instagram or audience network or messenger. I like to leave it at all platforms. So all media types, videos, images, memes, you want to leave it at all media types. Now active status. Want to leave it at active status. Pay attention to this. You want to search for adverts that has been running for at least 6 months, 3 to 6 months. That is because if these guys are spending money to run an advert for at least 6 months, it means they are getting conversions. Nobody's going to be wasting money running adverts. So impressions by date. What I want to do is to come here, type 2024. We are currently in December. So let's say this advert started running in August. I'll do from 1st of August to 19th of December. I'm going to apply. So once you've applied the filter, you want to scroll down. Scroll down, you are going to see this was launched in August. Yeah, this is an advert that has been running since August. See? So you're going to click on it. Click on see details. Open up the advert. Running since August, 17th of August 2024, and it is still active. That means these people are selling. That means they're selling. So what you need to do is to come here, study the adverts, study the ad copy, watch the video.
See, if you are yet to have this multi-purpose Yam Panda and food processor in your kitchen, trust me, you're missing a lot. With this Yam Panda, you can
pause that. You can even click on their order button. Study their sales funnel, study their offer, just study everything about the advert, because this right here is a converting advert. For them to be running this advert since on the 17th of August, it means they're making sales and it means they're doing something right. So what you need to do is to study the sales funnel, study the offer, and then replicate it for your business.
It's not stealing.
Make sure you don't even study one advert. Make sure you study multiple adverts. This is another advert by another brand. Come here, click on it, see details. You see, portable juicer, blend and drink for pepper smoothies, protein shakes, fresh juices, blah blah blah. So once you've studied at least 5 to 10 adverts, you're going to see a pattern. You should be able to come up with your sales funnel. You should be able to come up with your ad copy, your ad creatives, your offer. Those 4 things are very important. The next place you want to check for inspiration is your Facebook and Instagram timeline. You need to use social media as a creator, not a consumer. So while you are scrolling on social media having fun, make sure you look out for adverts and organic posts that gets your attention. Whenever you see a post or a video or an advert that gets your attention, what you need to do is to quickly save that advert for future reference and use it to create your own adverts. Please don't copy people's adverts. Use it as an inspiration to create your own adverts. So once you've gotten inspiration, you want to create your marketing assets. I'm talking about your ad copy, your ad creatives, and your offer. Very, very important. Since you are running this advert on a low budget, you want to focus on one offer and then one product or service. The reason is because your budget is low and you want to train the Facebook algorithm to only show one offer and maximize your budget. Please focus on one offer and one product or service. Don't try to run multiple offers and multiple products or services. Please take note of that. So once you've gotten this ready, let us set up your adverts and tests. So the first thing you want to do is to go to our business ads manager, business.facebook.com. Click on ads manager. In case you don't know how to set up your business manager, set up your ad account, check the description of this video. I'm going to leave a link on how you can do all this. So what I want to do is to come here, click on create. The first thing you want to do is to choose a campaign objective. Choose a campaign objective. What we are going to use is either traffic or engagement. Either traffic or engagement. Don't worry, I'm going to explain both. So let's start with traffic. I'll select traffic, click on continue. I'm going to leave it on manual traffic campaign. I'm going to name it low budget campaign. This is just for demonstration purposes. So we are going to scroll down and click on next. So we'll just name asset 1. Now conversion location. What you want to do is to come here and select Instagram profile. Select Instagram profile. They are sending traffic to your Instagram profile. Scroll down. Scroll down. Like we said, budget is 5,000 naira. I like starting my advert the next day. Right, let's say 5 o'clock. I don't like using an end date because I don't like stopping a campaign that is performing well. If a campaign is not performing well, I will just turn it off. But if a campaign is performing well, I will let it to run, to keep running. So scroll down. Audience control. I'll just come here, switch to regional audience options. Now you want to select one city. Just focus your advert on one city. Remember, you're running on a lean budget. So pick the right location that will give you the kind of result you're looking for. Let's say running my advert in Lagos. So I'll just select Lagos, the city. Scroll down. Come here, select my age range, if you know. Maybe from 25, 45. So gender, if I'm selling a product that's appealing to women, which was a juicer, so I'm going to leave it at women. Maybe I can just come here and add kitchen. Kitchen aid, home appliances. I'll scroll down. Placement, I'm going to edit placements. Now placement, you don't want to leave it at advantage plus placements. So you come here, select manual placements. First of all, you want to check the devices. Untick desktop. Yes, untick desktop, let it run only on mobile. And then unselect Facebook because they are sending traffic to your Instagram profile. Remember, they are sending traffic to your Instagram profile. And then you click on next. Now this is where you are going to add your ad name. Let's take for instance ad 1, and this is going to be an image or a video. So this is just a demo account. I don't use this account to run ads. Under identity, you're going to see your Facebook page and you're going to see the connected Instagram account. So you're just going to select the Instagram account that you want to send traffic to. Here is the ad setup. I'm going to untick this. The rest of the things you need to do is to just set up your ads creative, add your image, add your ad copy, and then you publish. For the second option, you want to go back to the campaign level. Come to the campaign objective, click on engagement, click on continue, go to the asset level, then conversion location. You want to leave it on your advert. Because you want people to comment on the advert, and the more they comment on the advert, the more reach you are going to get, helping you maximize your low budget. So engagement type, we want to keep it as video views. Now maximize true play views, meaning you want Facebook or Instagram to show your video to people who are likely to watch it to the end. So make sure you leave it at maximize true play views. Now the rest of the thing is pretty much the same. Set up your budget, your advantage audience, age, gender, and then set up your adverts. It's the same thing. I have a detailed video on how you can test your adverts. Remember, you're running on a lean budget, so you want to test 3 different adverts, and under 48 hours you find your winning ads. So just go and watch this video on how you can test your adverts.